So what we're going to start by doing is thinking and brainstorming the family recipes that you really connect with the most.
And sometimes that means just pausing, sort of thinking about the best times that you've had with people, or thinking back on maybe holidays or birthdays or some times in your life when food was really important and you really want to think about getting those recipes. I don't know, what would they be for you, Savannah?
So okay, spaghetti and meatballs I know is like a staple. And that's not, like, I always thought it was Italian. It's not Italian, it's like Italian-American. But it was passed down from your father's mother.
Correct, who was not even Italian.
She was Czech. And she made the spaghetti and meatballs recipe, which is delicious.
Right, but she married into an Italian family. And so
Right.
I think she learned from probably her mother-in-law.
Yeah. And so we would cook this, we would go to the beach in the summer sometimes, and we would cook this, and there was this basset hound who could smell all the way down the street, and he would always, I know, but I always go, I'm like, yes, he's going to come visit. He would always come and visit us when we cooked spaghetti and meatballs, and we'd give him a meatball. So that's a story I remember with spaghetti and meatballs.